like. I believe you have used this one in the Soneva as well.
Maybe we take short brief.
Yes.
Please.
I always start from the very best area of the villa, which is the outside. So here we have dining table for breakfast and preferably like dinner, because in the afternoon sometimes it might be hot. And then we have the hammock here, totally fine. Just the legs. And we have staircase on two sides. One staircase on this side to go to the lagoon, or after the slide you can just use this one. On the other side, on the other side. And then the pool is 1.2 meters, so it is not commanded by you.
So, what's next?
So, then here we have an office table where you can just do your office things in the afternoon. Or we have Wi-Fi in the villa as well, and there's no password for the Wi-Fi.
So, rooftop, can we open?
Rooftop we can open this. So if the weather is not really, so if it's cloudy, then we recommend to keep it closed, because sometimes it might rain might start anyway.
Yeah, okay, you can close. So, then,
And it's the TV. So most of our guests, they prefer not to watch any news because they want to disconnect from
Yeah,
the.
you can close.
Yeah, so we have kept it hidden. This is like a small table here.
so, paper.
Yes. This is the registration formalities. Here we have the.
But this mostly, what is this? Like,
This is for like if
for
you're
child.
traveling with a kid, or you can use this as a luggage room as well.
no, but it's for only one child.
Yes.
Before it was for two, no?
Here as well. we can.
Ah,
Here we have the blanket, extra blanket. It's too cold for you. Then we have the laundry bag. If you wish to do any laundries, you can just leave them in the basket. And there will be a charge of $10 per bag. Also, if you need any first aid items, we do have some of the first aid kits available. we have the safe. It's a 4-digit code.
Mhm.
So the wash basins here are totally fine for brushing, but we do not recommend the water for drinking. Mr. Already, if you would like to change the bath towels, you can leave them in the basket over here.
Mhm.
This is the shower. We have an outdoor shower here. The bath. This is the indoor shower. Also, if you want to go and come to the bath shower area directly from the outside, we have a
So go up.
It's I'll quickly show you the iPad. So in each villa we have an iPad and the password will be the villa number. But before the villa number we put 2 zeros. So 0085.
Mhm.
And then if you would like to order anything for the villa, you can go to the in-villa dining and you can choose from here. And then suppose like if you want to have curry, you choose the number here, the quantity, add to cart, and you go to view to cart, and then you place the order from here. And then if you go to the in-villa dining. Also, you will find most of our activities and everything that is happening around the island from here.
Ah, refreshments. Mhm. Champagne.
Yes.
One.
Compliments.
Mhm.
Water and coffee, tea in the villa will be with our compliments, and these are also with our compliments for your arrival. We also do have the list of the minibar items that we have here.
Mhm.
We have these chocolate bars with our compliments, and these are as well with our compliments, including the cheese. And we have some ice cream as well. This is the ice cream.
Cheese.
Yes. Glasswares you will find in these cupboards. Yeah, we have an extra toilet. There is one in the bedroom as well.
Can I go up?
Yes. So you see the switch here. This is for the lights. The
Ah,
in
mhm.
is for the inside, and this is for the outside. use the slide when the tide is high. So during the low tide, we don't recommend to use the slide.
Where is sunset?
Sunset will be this direction. This direction. So this will be sunrise. From this side.
Sunrise.